In this episode, I'm going to be walking through my process of priming a dollhouse. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. And this is like the project that literally never ends. This dollhouse thing has taken up my entire space here. It's really taken over my life. And in fact, I can't really work on any other project until this one is done. So for all of you watching this channel, there's going to be a lot of dollhouses coming your way. Probably going to be like a 53-part series. Literally, it could be that. We're only on episode 2 here of this installment. So this house is going to take a while, and in fact, I'm priming some of the bigger pieces now, like the actual house part construction stuff, but there's like a gazillion tiny pieces that also have to be primed and painted. And I'm probably going to be doing those after I get the structure together because I don't have the space to keep having like all of these pieces just kind of lying out everywhere. So I am using this KILZ original primer. This is oil-based. I've been doing some research and I feel like it's going to be best to use oil-based primer and then latex paint. So I'm using some like Home Depot Behr paint, and I'm still trying to figure out what color to do the outside of the house and then the front door. My color choices are like sort of an aqua color, a navy blue color, kind of a lighter gray, and then like a cotton candy pink. So I'm going to do the door like a fun accent color. I'm still not sure what to do for the main part of the house though. If you have an opinion, let me know. This is going to be a beach house bungalow, so think beach vibe. But I'd love to get your input. I was thinking about the navy blue, but I'm not sure if that would be like really dark. But again, I've seen a lot of navy blue houses and they look cool. Then I was thinking about the gray, but that might be kind of boring. And then cotton candy pink, but do I want a cotton candy like light pink house? I don't know. I bought a pack of these foam sponge brushes from my Dollar Tree, and I've been using those to prime all the pieces. Plus you can toss them afterwards, so I don't really have to worry about cleanup. I try to use these as long as I can until they break apart and start like getting all crumbly. But a bag of like 8 is $1. I'm actually gonna go back to Dollar Tree, actually right after I shoot this video, to get more supplies. Also get some like mini foam roller brushes. I think I'm gonna need that for the paint, and maybe get some more sandpaper. I'll also have to get some other stuff too. So I've been getting most of my painting supplies from Dollar Tree. It's very cost effective. But I've been doing each side, and you don't wanna do some of the sides, so I'm trying to figure out any side that's like going to be glued to something else. You wanna make sure you don't paint that. You want the wood surface there because that's how the glue will adhere. There are some parts where like this section would be exposed, and I have been priming and I'm going to paint those. All of my trim is going to be done in white, so I got a can of that, a larger than the sample pots I got from Home Depot for like the colors. And I've also got this flooring. So the flooring came with like this kind of like a sticker that made it look like a wood floor. I've decided to go with white floors. I know it's a bit of a bold choice. I'm gonna go with white floors for the beach house. So this is primer. So what I'm gonna do is sand this down, and how it's recommended in the instruction booklet is to sand down the pieces until there's like bare stuff showing. Some of these pieces are in MDF, so until the MDF is showing. So they said to sand it down until you really see the wood or MDF, and then do your paint job over that. But I'm not gonna be using the foam brush for the actual painting. The application isn't super precise and neat. It's okay enough for primer, but as you can see with this piece here, this is kind of uneven, but this I think will be okay since I'm sanding most of this off. But if you're actually doing real painting, I'm also gonna try to get some paint brushes from Dollar Tree. I saw some good reviews on them and they're only $1. So I will report back on that, but I've been getting a lot of my supplies from Dollar Tree and it's been working out okay. And I'm seriously like, what have I gotten myself into? I think this project is gonna take me several weeks. which is a bit of an overwhelming thought right now. I'm not sure if I can handle this. And if you're wondering, Jen, why are you 35 and building a dollhouse? And the answer is simple, because I can. So stay with me for another installment. I don't know what's after this, probably some painting. And also let me know what color you think I should do the outside house siding in. I'm a little bit undecided right now. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Feel free to smash that like button and subscribe to the Sewing Report if you are interested in sewing crafts or DIY projects. I'm Jennifer, and I will see you next time.